I'm going to unbox the Nikon Coolpix P7100. Ooh, this battery charger is almost as big as the freaking camera. Jesus. I was looking for a small point and shoot, although this is hardly small, and I wanted to use it primarily for video, not stills. And the stills that I've taken on this have been pretty impressive, but for video, this camera sucks. Here is the Nikon P7100 compared to the GH2, the Panasonic GH2 with a 20mm pancake lens on it. The size is very similar. Now you're not going to get the same focal distance, the zoom length, you know, but it's almost exactly the same girth as the GH2. I wanted something really portable that I can shoot video with, and this was the only point and shoot camera with a mic. With a mic input. But the problem is, at 720p, it shoots 23.98 frame rate. That's the only option you have. If you want to do 30 frames, you have to go to SD standard definition mode. Once you turn this to video mode, your ISO, your shutter speed, and your aperture are all automatic. You cannot manually adjust those settings. You can manually adjust the white balance, you can lock the exposure compensation, but even when you lock the exposure, you do not know what your aperture and your shutter speed is at, and your ISO. You can't control those three independently. They give you every single manual button you can want on the body, and this is the only point and shoot that gives you a mic input, aside from the Olympus proprietary hot shoe mic inputs. Like this one is right there, so you can pop in your boom mic up there, or Nikon makes their own stereo mic. You can put a lav mic in there and try to shoot professional video, but since everything's on auto, it makes it almost useless. I like to have small form factors for documentaries or for guerrilla kind of filmmaking. This is a really great manual still camera, but video, no, it sucks. I thought, because it had the 23.98 frame rate, and the mic input, it would rise above other point and shoots. I'll show you some shots of the camera right now. So as you've seen, the video quality, it's okay outdoors, but you can't dial in your shutter speed, your ISO, and your iris. Oh, Nikon, no manual control. I hate you.